Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of old wood crafts ideas for new profits to start a craft business that sells. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. In the world of creativity and entrepreneurship, some of the most powerful opportunities are hidden in plain sight, waiting to be noticed by those with vision and persistence. And among the smartest paths for entrepreneurs, DIY enthusiasts, and beginners eager to build a profitable business lies the simple yet extraordinary journey of transforming old wood into something valuable, beautiful, and marketable. What makes old wood so unique is not only its accessibility and affordability, but also the story it carries within its weathered grains and worn textures. Each piece holds a memory of time, a reflection of resilience, and the possibility of being reborn into something functional and profitable. For those who have always dreamed of combining passion with profit, working with reclaimed or discarded wood is a golden opportunity because it doesn't demand heavy investment in raw materials. It aligns with the rising demand for eco-conscious living, and it opens a creative landscape where every project can become a one-of-a-kind treasure. Imagine walking through a yard, a farm, or even a construction site where piles of old planks or broken furniture sit forgotten, and instead of seeing waste, you see potential. You recognize that with a bit of sanding, shaping, and polishing, this overlooked material can be transformed into rustic shelves, artisan trays, handmade frames, or modern decor pieces that not only elevate a living space, but also command attention in today's market where people are willing to pay a premium for sustainable and handcrafted creations. For beginners, this path is less intimidating than diving straight into expensive woodworking projects, because working with reclaimed wood teaches you to embrace imperfections, to see beauty in cracks and knots, and to understand that simplicity often holds the most powerful appeal, while at the same time giving you the confidence to experiment, improve, and build a portfolio of work that feels authentic and inspiring. For DIY enthusiasts, this is the natural next step, a way to turn a hobby into something that doesn't just fill your home with personality, but also allows you to share your craft with others while generating income. And for entrepreneurs, it is an open invitation to build a business model around sustainability, creativity, and timeless value, a model that speaks directly to the needs of today's conscious consumers who care about the stories behind what they buy. In every grain of reclaimed wood lies the chance to tell a story of revival, to show how something once forgotten can be reborn. And when you position your craft in this way, you not only differentiate yourself in a crowded market, but also create emotional resonance with buyers who are looking for more than just a product. They want meaning, sustainability, and a connection to the artisan behind the work. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's video? If you love decor and crafting, we post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. This approach blends artistry with smart business, because what might cost you little to nothing in raw materials can be sold at prices that reflect craftsmanship, uniqueness, and eco-conscious value. And this profit margin is what makes old wood one of the smartest starting points for anyone entering the woodworking landscape. Beyond the financial side, there is also a deep satisfaction that comes from knowing you are contributing to a cycle of renewal rather than waste, and that your creativity is both building a livelihood and serving a higher purpose. The beauty of this path is its scalability. You might start with small pieces like coasters, plant holders, or wall hooks, selling them at local markets or online platforms, but as your skills and reputation grow, You can expand into larger projects such as tables, bookshelves, or statement decor that bring even bigger profits and visibility. Every step of this journey builds on the same foundation: imagination, resourcefulness, and the willingness to see opportunity where others see waste. For beginners with limited skills, old wood is forgiving because its irregularities invite creativity rather than perfection. And for entrepreneurs, its low entry cost reduces financial risk, allowing you to invest more in tools, branding, and marketing. What makes it timeless is that wood has always been part of human life, functional, warm, adaptable, and as styles evolve, the demand for handmade wooden items only grows stronger, especially when they carry the dual appeal of modern style and sustainable living. For DIY enthusiasts who find joy in working with their hands, there is something magical in taking a discarded piece of wood and shaping it into something that not only looks beautiful, but also finds a place in someone's home, becoming part of their daily life. And for entrepreneurs, this is more than just craft. It is a business opportunity that combines creative fulfillment with practical growth, a chance to build a brand around authenticity, storytelling, and eco-friendly values. All while tapping into a market that is both passionate and expanding. Each project you create from old wood becomes proof that simplicity can be elevated into elegance, that forgotten materials can find new life, and that a spark of creativity is enough to start building a profitable path. As you move forward, the vision becomes clearer. You are not just crafting objects, you are crafting a business, a narrative, and a lifestyle that resonates with people who want to live in spaces filled with meaning, style, and sustainable beauty. This is why turning old wood into new profits is one of the smartest choices for anyone stepping into the woodworking landscape, because it combines opportunity with passion, practicality with artistry, and profit with purpose, offering endless potential for growth, success, and fulfillment in a world that is constantly looking for creativity reimagined and simplicity transformed into lasting value. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked old wood crafts ideas for new profits to start a craft business that sells. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.